Hi, this is Taneki Dacres here, founder and CEO of Vine Publishing and your literary midwife, bringing you another Vine tip. Here it is. Self-edit. Self-edit your manuscript. I've said it before. I completely understand the writing process at times can be daunting. It can be overwhelming, and sometimes we just want to get it all out, get our thoughts out on paper, and just be done with the writing process. But I need you to realize that your first draft is never your final draft. Your first draft is never your final draft. And so that means you need to self-edit your manuscript before you submit your manuscript. And so as you're going through that process, here are three things to ask yourself. The first thing you should ask yourself is this relevant? Is this section, is this sentence, is this paragraph, is it relevant? Is it relevant to my point? Is it relevant to the chapter? Is it relevant to the overall book? The reality is sometimes we'll start talking about one thing here and we've given so much information that we're strayed away from our original thought, and oftentimes we don't even realize it, right? And so ask yourself, is this relevant? Is it relevant for where I'm taking my reader? Is it relevant to the chapter? Is it relevant to the overall book? The second thing you need to ask yourself is it flowing consistently? Is there a consistent flow? Do I need to take this section and do I need to move it upwards, or do I need to move it downwards? Do I need to eliminate it altogether? Is it flowing consistently? Does this make sense to me? But most importantly, does this make sense to the reader? The last thing you need to ask yourself is, have I covered the points of the chapter? Have I met the goals of my chapter? Have I covered everything that I wanted to cover in this chapter? It is very important that we go back and we self-edit our manuscript. And once we do that, what will happen is at the end of the process, we will have a manuscript that is clear and it's consistent and it's well written and it's ready to be submitted. I hope that helped you. That was my Vine tip for today. Again, this is Taneki Dacres, founder and CEO of Vine Publishing and your literary midwife. Listen, if you are not following us on social media, I invite you to follow us, like us, share us, do whatever you want to do. Share us, like us, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Vine Publishing. Facebook and Instagram at Vine Publishing. Also, if you want more information about Vine Publishing, our all-inclusive package, if you want information about our coaching services, check us out on the web. You can find us at vinepublish.com, vinepublish.com. Again, this is Taneki Dacres, CEO and founder of Vine Publishing and your literary midwife. God bless you.